Hi, welcome back once again to my channel Nusbakes and Cooks. I'm back again with a very interesting recipe for you all. So if you want to know it, please watch my video patiently till the end. Here I have some bananas. I'm going to use around 2 bananas. With the help of a fork, I'm going to mash the bananas. So you can see they are so nicely mashed, isn't it? Now into this I'm going to add 2 eggs. With the help of a hand beater, I'm going to mix them very thoroughly. Let's scrape the sides. Let's beat once again so that the mixture becomes smooth and fluffy. Here I add 140 ml of oil. I have used rice bran oil here. You can use any oil of your choice, but it has to be odorless. You can see they are well incorporated, isn't it? Now into this I'm going to add 300 grams of flour. Now I add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda. With the help of a spatula, I'm going to mix them. Here I add 160 ml of whey. This will give a very moist and soft texture to our recipe. I prefer using whey mostly in making cakes. Now I add 120 ml of water. With the help of a beater, I'm going to beat for around 1 minute. In this way, all the ingredients will become homogeneous. Now with the help of a spatula, I'm going to scrape the sides and mix once again. Cut and fold method. Our mixing is done. Here I have taken a rectangular mold. Before pouring the batter into it, I'm going to grease the mold with some butter. So I've already greased it. Now I'm going to sprinkle some flour and cover all the sides. So you can see how nicely I have covered all the sides with the flour, isn't it? Here I pour the batter. I have already preheated the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. Let's give around 2-3 taps so that there are no air bubbles inside the batter. I'm going to bake these for around 40 to 45 minutes or until it's nicely baked. Here is our baked cake. Let's keep it aside and start with our next procedure. I have taken around 1 cup of fresh milk. Into this I'm going to add half cup of condensed milk. Now I add 1 cup of fresh cream. Let's mix the 3 ingredients very thoroughly so that there are no lumps at the bottom. Here is our banana cake. With the help of a fork, I'm going to prick all the sides like this so that when we pour the milk mixture, it will absorb it properly. Now I'm going to pour the milk mixture on top of the cake like this. Though it's looking like this now, after some time you'll see that the cake has absorbed all the liquid. So you can see there is no trace of liquid here, isn't it? The cake has absorbed all. Here I have some whipped cream. I'm going to spread on top of the cake. So you can see how evenly I have covered the whole cake with the whipped cream, isn't it? Now let's cut into slices. I'll take out a piece and show you how does our banana tres leches cake look like. So here it is. Just look at the texture. It looks so moist and spongy, isn't it? Who doesn't love banana cakes? I love it. And that also when it is banana tres leches cake. I'm sure everybody will fall in love with this cake. It's so moist, creamy and rich. I feel like having more and more. This tres leches cake is something very different, isn't it? Do try this if you have lots of bananas at home, and that also ripe bananas. I'm sure you and your family will really enjoy it. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. I just can't stop digging it. Wow. Melts in the mouth and it's so juicy. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end. Bye.